In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a logo to your Gamma Workspace account in just a few simple steps. If you manage a team, brand, or business workspace, adding your logo is a great way to make your account look more professional and keep your branding consistent. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Gamma account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look to the left corner of the screen and click on the account icon. This is where Gamma keeps your workspace and account-related settings. After that, select Workspace settings from the menu. This will take you to the area where you can manage your workspace details, preferences, and branding options. Next, click on Overview. Inside the Overview section, you should see the Logo option. This is where you can update the visual identity for your workspace. Go ahead and click on the Logo area, then choose the Upload New Logo option. A file picker will open, allowing you to select the image you want to use as your logo. Find the image on your computer or device, click it, and then confirm the upload. Once the logo is uploaded, Gamma will apply it to your Workspace account, helping your brand look clean, consistent, and recognizable. If you want to make sure it looks right, double-check that the image is clear and properly sized for a logo. And that's it. You've now added a logo to your Gamma Workspace account. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.